What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. I hope all you guys are having a fantastic day. Now, if you guys remember, a week ago we reviewed the best new budget microphone by a company called TONOR. It was a fantastic microphone that came in at a price tag of only $40. Now, TONOR saw that review, they loved my video, and they sent me their TC20 XLR microphone kit. Now, this kit comes in at $60 right now on Amazon, and I don't know about you guys, but anytime I think to myself microphone kit for $60, either the parts are absolutely garbage, or B, the sound quality on that microphone isn't the best. So that's what we're gonna go over in today's video. Now, whether someone sends me a product for free or they actually sponsor one of my videos, that does not make a difference. You guys already know that I'm gonna rip that product apart, and I'll tell you guys if that product's garbage or if it's actually worth its price tag. I know some creators aren't transparent. The first thing I thought to myself when I created this channel was transparency and integrity was gonna be the highest thing that I held in regard when I created video for you guys on this channel. Now, obviously you guys that have been here since the beginning already know that. However, I feel like I should mention it every once in a while because there are some creators out there that don't let you know when the videos are sponsored or when they're sponsored segments or when the product is sent to them for free. For full transparency in the future, if you guys don't know this already, I will let you guys know in the beginning of the video when it's sponsored or when the product was sent to me for free. In the box, you get a ton of high quality accessories. It comes with a microphone, a steel boom arm, a desk clamp, a metal shock mount, a pop filter, a mic cover, cable ties, and the XLR cable. The body of the microphone sports a nice sleek matte black finish that definitely has a more expensive feel to it. The boom arm you get with this microphone is their popular T20 version that's been upgraded and suitable for most microphones weighing under 4 pounds. The microphone itself has been upgraded from the previous version and now has a low noise FET amplifier that provides a wide dynamic range and a high-end, crisp, clear, natural sound according to TONOR, which we will make sure to test up in the game room. The microphone sports a cardioid polar pickup pattern that provides sound suppression to help reduce sound picked up from the sides and the back of this microphone to help eliminate any background noise. The pop filter covers a great surface area and has a nice high quality feel to it, just like the rest of the parts that come in this kit. First impressions of this kit, I'm really impressed at how much value you get with this setup for only $60. Add the rest of these accessories up and you're well into the over $100 range when you're looking to build your own kit like this. Now, obviously all that gets thrown out of the window if the sound quality isn't good with the microphone. So let's go ahead and test out the microphone quality on the TC20 XLR microphone. Currently, I am in a soundproof room, as you guys already know, talking to you guys on the RODE NT1 studio microphone. This is a much more expensive XLR microphone than the TC20, and it does have that same phantom power source powered by the Scarlett Solo. So this microphone quality should be a lot better since it is 6 times more expensive than the TC20 microphone. But let's use it as a benchmark to see how good the microphone quality is on the TC20 for that $60 price tag. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the TONOR TC20 XLR microphone. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. As you guys can see, the sound quality on this microphone is actually really good for its price tag. Crisp, clear audio. It's doing a great job of actually eliminating that background noise. Now, this is a soundproof room, like I said. However, there are 2 fans going on in the background right now that it doesn't seem to be picked up by this microphone. So just like TONOR advertised, it's actually decent. And like I said, I mean, comparing it to the RODE NT1 studio microphone, it costs 6 times more and it actually sounds really good in comparison. Now let's go ahead and do one more test up here in the game room. Let's go ahead and see how much keyboard clicking this microphone actually picks up when it's hovering right above the keyboard. It is picking up the keyboard clicks. Obviously, it's going to pick them up a little bit more when I start talking because that's when the noise gate opens up. However, not bad. I am currently, I don't know, about 10 inches away from the keyboard. So yeah, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on this microphone if you plan on using it for streaming, gaming, talking to your friends in Discord. And that's what the keyboard clicking sounds like and how much keyboard clicking is actually picked up when this microphone is right in front of your keyboard. Another thing that's really cool about this whole microphone kit is TONOR has engraved their logo not only on the microphone but also on the bottom of the boom arm here, which adds a nice aesthetic look to the whole kit. Obviously, they didn't have to go ahead and spend money to do that, and when you get down to this cheaper price range, obviously every dollar counts, especially when you're trying to make profit when selling these microphones. So it probably doesn't cost that much to add your logo onto it. But another thing I thought I should mention, I definitely noticed the attention to detail that TONOR put into this whole kit, and I'm actually really happy with it. Tonor, thanks again for sending me this microphone. I really appreciate it. Fantastic value you guys have here. I'm actually really impressed. Overall, this is a solid choice for you guys looking to pick up a new microphone kit, whether it's for streaming or for gaming. For 60 bucks, you can justify that price tag with all the value that you get in this microphone kit. Not to mention the microphone quality on the TC20 actually sounds better than a lot of other microphones out there in that $60 price range. With all that being said, there is one downside to this microphone, and it does require phantom power. It is not a USB microphone. So if you guys already have a phantom power source, such as a Scarlett Solo or something like that, and you guys are already using an XLR microphone, you guys are absolutely fine. You don't have to worry about anything. For those of you guys out there that are used to USB, you will have to go ahead and pick up this Neewer adapter here. It's 20 bucks right now on Amazon, and it will provide you the phantom power that you guys will need to power this microphone. If you guys want to future-proof yourself and plan on using XLR microphones in the future, I highly recommend you guys go ahead and pick up the Scarlett Solo. I believe you can get the Scarlett Solo right now for 100 to 150 bucks right now on Amazon. I will make sure to leave both of these linked down below in the description for you guys, along with the TC20 XLR microphone, if you would like to go ahead and pick up this microphone and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, as always, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section for me. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.